How to fix screen won't turn on in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system. Scroll down, click on reset option. Click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Again click on reset option. Click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, picture, video will be erased or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix screen won't turn on in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.